Scientists. All right. Tell me about Franklin. What do you think it's going to do?
Franklin could become the first hurricane of the Atlantic season.
Okay.
We've had a lot of name storms, but none of them have reached hurricane status. It's down in the Bay of Campeche right now. Very warm waters there. And as it moves west, it strengthens to possibly a Category 1 hurricane before making its second landfall of its lifetime. Right around Cancun, Mexico in the next 24 hours or so. Again, no threat here to the United States. You see it on satellite imagery there. Very healthy looking system there as it continues to draw fuel from the warm ocean waters there. And we have a secondary system to watch now. It doesn't have a name yet, but it has about a 40% chance of developing here in the next 5 days. This is right now known as 99L. The next 5 to 7 days or so, it's going to be interesting to watch and see how that kind of forms and develops. Here closer to home, we're seeing our clouds starting to part. Perfect image here out at the ocean front. You can see some sunshine getting on through in that early morning sunrise. Wind is up there, and temperatures today only around 80, so well below average, but that gradual clearing continues, leaving us with a very pleasant next 48 hours before rain works back into our forecast by Friday. We've picked up a whole lot of rain this week. In fact, just in the last 36 hours, some of the radar estimates here, 3 to 5 to 6 inches in a lot of the areas that needed it, up through the peninsula and the eastern shore, which were both exceptionally dry in the past month, and some ground confirmation here of some of those radar estimates. 4 to 5 inches fell in a lot of those spots. Langley Air Force Base, nearly 5 inches, and just over 3 inches in Norview, right in the area of Norfolk. All right, out this morning, all that rain is gone. Clouds do remain in some spots, but those are starting to thin out and move out of here as well. So that's going to lead to a very nice day today, my pick of the week. And you show it to you here on Futurecast. See that right through mid-morning. Sunshine out there, a few clouds the farther south and southeast you go, closer to where that unsettled weather will remain. It could even squeeze out a shower down through the Outer Banks today, but much of the area will stay dry. Overnight tonight, we're mostly clear as well. And tomorrow, a little bit more in the way of cloud cover and slightly increased shower chance. This morning, we're starting off in the 60s and 70s, 73 in Norfolk, 68 Williamsburg, 68 Gatesville, and 70 right now out in Virginia Beach. Up to 80 today, gradual clearing and a pleasant afternoon and a nice breeze out of the northeast at 5 to 15. Tonight down to 68, partly cloudy and still comfortable. The humidity levels are dropping off just a little bit. And this weekend, 87 both days about a 50% chance of showers, and both days mostly cloudy. So take what you want with that. And as we go into next week, more of the same. Showers in the forecast Monday and Tuesday. Unsettled weather here right through the middle of next week.